Hello and welcome to Falcon 5's platformer development video number 3. It's been over half a year since I uploaded a video, but development on my game has regardless been in progress since then. Since the last video, lots of changes have been made. First, I upped the original resolution of the game from 320 by 240 to 640 by 360 to allow for greater detail in character sprites, and have implemented an optional Scale 2x graphical filter to double that resolution to 1280 by 720 for faster computers. Gravity has been implemented into the game, and the character has variable jumping height, similar to platform games such as Mario, where, up to a specified maximum jumping height, the player can control just how high the character jumps. If one merely taps the jump button for an instant, a short hop is made. If one holds down the jump button longer, a greater leap is made. Additionally, in my game, the character will eventually attain a double jump. He will be able to jump once again after he has already left the ground. This will enable the player to reach heights that were previously unreachable. However, after being used, the character cannot double jump again until the character touches the ground. I've also implemented a wall jump ability. Similar to the Mega Man X series, the player can press up against walls when he is in the air and cling to them, slowing his descent to the ground. While clinging to these walls, if the player presses the jump button, the character will jump up and away from the walls, enabling more involving platforming sections for the player to maneuver through. When the player wall jumps, the character's double jump is preserved if the player still has the ability, meaning that the player can wall jump as many times as he would like and then use his double jump, all without touching the ground. Along with gravity and some abilities, acceleration and deceleration has been implemented. The character starts at rest and upon moving, accelerates up to a maximum speed. This allows for smoother character movement and also allows for different frictions upon different surfaces, such as ice slowing the character's acceleration and deceleration simply by changing the acceleration and deceleration values. This will also make the player slip down a steep slope when moving downwards. All of the character's variables are local and can be changed and manipulated as the game is running. This will allow me to create equipable items such as boots that can make the player jump higher, gloves that might allow the player to stick to walls better, or armor that could reduce the amount of damage the player takes from enemies at the price of slowing the character's movement speed. Many options are available. The versatility of all the variables that have been implemented will allow for interesting variances in customizability in the character's abilities. Lastly, slopes have been implemented. Slopes are by far the most complex thing I have added to my platformer engine. Instead of just using squares, the character can traverse 45-degree angle slopes and 22.5-degree angle slopes. This will make levels more interesting and open up different possibilities for level design. The 45-degree angle slopes are completely implemented and bug-free, but the 22.5-degree slopes still have work to be done to them. After they are done, I will implement 67.5-degree angle slopes that will be too steep for the player to traverse and will slide down them. These shouldn't pose any problem for me to program after handling the 22.5-degree angle slopes. That's it for this video update. Visit falcon5.net to keep updated on the progress of my game. Thanks for watching.